Hello, today we're going to solve the equation that you see on the screen. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, as always, you need to recognize that this is an equation because you have variables and also this is equal to something. So this definitely is an equation. Now, that means you need to solve for x. Now, also, it will be very helpful if you recognize that here you have a fraction equal to another fraction. That means this is a proportion. And if that's the case, then you can do cross multiplication, and that will be really helpful because you will get rid of the denominators. So let's start and do that. Let's start with the cross multiplication. I'm going to multiply the 5 times all of this. I need to multiply the 5 times the x minus 1. And how am I going to do that? By using parentheses so that the 5 multiplies not only the x but also the negative 1. Same thing on the other side if I do the cross multiplication. This 2 needs to multiply all of this, the 4x plus 2. So for that, I need to use parentheses so that the 2 multiplies all of the 4x plus also the 2. So now I need to solve as always at this point. I have parentheses, so we always do parentheses first. So I'm going to go ahead and solve parentheses using distributive property. So 5 times x is 5x. Then 5 times negative 1 would be negative 5 equals, on the other side, I have 2 times 4x, which will be 8x. And then 2 times 2. So that would be 4. Okay. If I look at this equation, I don't have any like terms to add on this side of the equation or like terms to add on the right side of the equation. So that's something I'm not going to do. But I do have x's on both sides. So I need to put all the x's on one side. For that, I'm going to bring this 5x to the right side. I can do it. I can also bring the 8x to this side. I have to, it should be the same thing, but I will choose to do the 5x to move it to the right side. So I do the opposite operation, minus 5x on both sides. With that, I cancel the 5x and I have that negative 5 is equal to 3x plus the 4. I will continue here. So minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 4. So now, in order to leave x by itself, I need to get rid of the 3 and the 4. This is just a two-step equation because I need to get rid of these two numbers. As always, the question is, do I start with the 3 or do I start with the 4? I always start with the one that is farthest away from my variable, which is the 4. So again, opposite operation, negative 4 on both sides. And on the left side, I have negative 9 equals to 3x because the 4 cancels each other. Now I need to get rid of the 3 in order to have x by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And x is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is 3. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So x is equal to negative 3. I hope you like this video and see you on the next one. Bye.